So when it comes to sound healing, you need to set your intention and breathe in the color. Inhale green. We're focusing on the heart chakra. You gotta have an open heart. But as we inhale green, as we allow the frequency to flow through our body, we're gonna do mudras with our hand to open the heart chakra as well. You can do a prayer mudra to open your heart chakra, and you can also do a lotus mudra. I love myself. I trust myself. I value myself. I honor myself. My heart is open to receive the energy of love. I radiate this essence. I walk my path with ease and grace. I love myself. I trust myself. Having an open heart is the true way to Christ. Esoterically speaking, you need to have an open heart to reach Christ because that's true divine love, right? Come on now.